Our bite of the week comes from Director of Health and Safety at the Bethlehem Moravian College, Abigail Thomas. She was expressing concern over the institution's inadequate security after a student was stabbed at the weekend. Here's our bite of the week.
So all these little track passes, because we're Jamaicans, track pass, they lead to the dormitories. And we have to hang our clothes outside. We're always outside. We're always exposed. And let's say we took the initiative. Let's say we don't have the money to build the fence, right? Let's say we took the initiative to at least install security cameras. We have 6 security cameras in the mini-mart guarding chips. And we don't have any cameras installed at the exit and let's say the back of the dormitory.